In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook open links with Chrome, not Edge. If you've ever clicked a link in Outlook and it keeps opening in Microsoft Edge when you prefer Google Chrome, this walkthrough will fix that. We'll adjust a setting in Classic Outlook so it respects your system's default browser, and then make sure Windows is set to use Chrome as that default. Start by opening Classic Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is up, head to the top left and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage menu where you can control application-wide settings. On the left, choose Options to open the Outlook Options window. In that window, select the Advanced tab in the left pane. Now scroll down until you see the section called File and Browser Preferences. On some versions it may appear as Link Handling. Look for the drop-down labeled Open Hyperlinks from Outlook in. By default, many installations set this to Microsoft Edge. Change that selection to Default Browser. Choosing Default Browser tells Outlook to use whatever browser Windows is currently set to use, rather than forcing Edge. Click OK to save your changes. To make sure the new setting is applied, close and restart Outlook. Next, let's confirm Windows is set to use Chrome so Outlook will follow suit. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to Apps, then Default Apps. In the search box at the top, type Google Chrome and click it in the results. On Chrome's Defaults page, click Set Default. This assigns Chrome to handle common web protocols like HTTP and HTTPS, as well as typical web file types such as HTML. If you see any prompts to confirm associations for .htm, .html, or URL protocols, go ahead and approve them so all web links route through Chrome. When you're done, you can close settings. Putting this together, Outlook is now configured to open hyperlinks using your system's default browser, and Windows is set to make Chrome that default. After restarting Outlook, links you click in your emails should open in Chrome without any extra steps. If you don't see the link handling or file and browser preferences section in Outlook, you may be using a different Outlook experience where that option isn't available, but the Windows default browser setting still matters for many apps. Also, be aware that some organizational policies can override these preferences. That's it. Your Outlook links should now launch in Chrome instead of Edge. Thanks for watching.